Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book hotel on Agoda. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Agoda. So go to their website agoda.com. So once you're on their website and if you have an account, you can log into your account. And once you're on their site here, so what are you going to do? Firstly, if you want to book a hotel, so make sure you have on this, select the hotels and home tab here. So make sure you're on the hotels tab, and then what are you going to do? You're going to enter the destination of the city where you want to book. For example, let's say if I'm saying somewhere in Bangkok, so just put that and then select the dates where you will be traveling. So you can just select that. Okay, so select those details and then the number of person and the rooms that you need and all those information. So just select how many adults or children or the rooms, how many rooms you need, and just fill in those information and then hit on search. So when you hit on search, this will now populate the best deals and hotels available for you. So once this loads with the results, so here you will see that there are like around 4,600 choices here. So what we have to do, simply do is just choose, open up anyone that suits you or that you are interested in. For example, here just click on it, open it up, and then once you open it up, and here you will see the details of the hotel. So for example, like the details of the room, the pictures, and all those information will pop up here. So now those are the pictures, and this is the details of the hotel, and then the facilities and all other information here. So what you can do, you can simply have a look at it, and you can click on these photos and then view the pictures if you want. So you can just do that, and then what you can do, you can simply click on view available rooms, click on see available rooms, so that will show up the rooms available for you that you can book. So you can do that, and then now so here, so if you scroll down, you will see the options you have. So just select the one that you want to book, simply hit on book now, and then when you click on book now, this will take you to the booking page here, so where you just need to complete your booking here. So once this loads here, so all you have to do now here is just fill in this simple form here. So I'm just waiting for this to load. So once this loads here, so what you're going to do is simply fill in, if you have already created an account, then your information will be pre-filled, so that's fine. And then all you have to do now is just simply choose a payment option. How do you want to make it? So just choose a payment option, and then all you have to do is simply scroll down and then hit on, so choose your payment option and then your contact details, and then your if you have any preference and everything, hit on it,